In this video, I'm going to show you how to motion track using CapCut PC step by step so you can make text, stickers, and graphics follow any moving object in your video. This is a really useful editing trick for creating more dynamic videos, more professional looking content, and more engaging visuals without needing advanced editing skills. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project. The first thing you need to do is add your elements. Drag your main video clip down to the timeline. This will be the clip that contains the moving subject you want to track. Once that's in place, drag your text or sticker onto the timeline as well. If you're using text, make sure it's placed clearly on the timeline above your video layer. If you're using a sticker or graphic, do the same thing and position it on the correct track. Now comes an important part. You need to stretch your text or sticker to match the full duration of the video, or at least the section where you want the motion tracking to happen. This matters because if the overlay is too short, it will disappear before the tracking is finished. So click and drag the ends of the layer until it lines up properly with your clip length. Taking a moment to do this correctly will save you from having to go back and adjust it later. Next, select the text or sticker layer on the timeline. This is the layer you want to attach to the moving object in your video. Once it's selected, look to the top right corner of CapCut and click the Tracking tab. This is where CapCut's motion tracking tools are located. If you don't see it immediately, make sure the correct layer is highlighted because the tracking options usually appear for the selected element. After opening the tracking options, click Motion Tracking. As soon as you do that, a yellow box will appear in the preview window. This yellow box is what CapCut uses to identify the object you want to follow. Now, you need to position and resize that box carefully so it perfectly covers the moving object in your video. For the best results, make sure the box fits tightly around the subject and stays centered on the part you want to track. If the object is too small in the frame, you may need to zoom in a little or adjust the clip to get a better tracking area. Once the yellow box is placed correctly, click Start. CapCut will begin analyzing the motion in your clip and track the movement of your selected object. Depending on the length and complexity of the video, this may take a few moments. While it processes, avoid changing the clip unless you need to restart the tracking. When it's done, CapCut will attach your text or sticker to the tracked motion so it follows the object as it moves across the screen. After the tracking finishes, play the video back and check the result. If the text or sticker stays locked onto the object nicely, then you're good to go. If it drifts off, jumps around, or doesn't follow the movement as expected, you may need to adjust the tracking box and try again. Smaller, clearer objects and smoother motion usually give the best tracking results, so keep that in mind if your first attempt needs improvement. You can also use this same method for many different types of content. For example, you can track text to a person, a car, a product, or even a specific object in a scene. This is a great way to add labels, callouts, arrows, emojis, and stickers that move naturally with whatever is happening in your video. It's especially useful for tutorials, vlogs, product videos, and social media edits where you want to direct the viewer's attention, and that's how to motion track using CapCut PC. It's a simple process once you know where the tracking tools are and how to set up your layers correctly. Just remember the 3 main steps. Add your video and overlay, open the tracking tab, and place the yellow box over your moving subject before clicking Start. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and I'll see you in the next one.